Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I introduce myself. My name is Abdul Jabar. I currently studying at Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia, majoring in elementary education in master program. Now, I will give you presentation about my research. The research are analysis of social literacy concept in IPS material 2013 curriculum. Abdul Jabbar from the first author, Dr. Erna Wulan Saudi as a second author, and Dr. Babang Robandi as a third author. Introduction: Social interaction. Social interaction is an important factor for every being, especially human, both in the family and social improvement of a broader nature. This is based on the learning process, so that with social interaction humans have the opportunity to display existency in their social sphere. Therefore, the position of social sciences is unavoidably important because of its role in developing the social attitude of students. 21st century education. Relevant that entering the 21st century literacy is the goal of education, because with this ability the quality process by student will develop. In addition, the concept of literacy cannot be only be interpreted grammatical, but literacy must be interpreted as the ability of students to understand and interpret concepts, and as well as context. Social literacy skill. From the description above, we understand that social literacy skills are very important to be mastered in order to support the lives of students in society in the future. Education is collection of components in which there are teacher present and various policy making system. The teacher he must act the best model for student, be it in school environment. Based on the description above, I can be conclude in order for good education to occur and be able to grow social literacy for children. In most complete the component, it meets the project teaching material, model, and evaluation of learning. In study, research will not examine the existence of teacher in learning, but research emphasizes the learning material as for learning material in elementary school. In the form of books, books become important factor the learning process. Therefore, the book has special specification to provide information, knowledge, and so on. As for the rules in the preparation of teaching material on books, it has been completely determined by the National Standard Board for Education. There is state uh, regarding the feasibility of a learning textbook. Therefore, the assessment achievement of the student in learning is determined by the quality of the book. Based on the description above, it can be concluded the success in learning in school must pay attention to the stability of the material with the content of the curriculum. the collapse of the material and the breadth of the material. Based on description above, it can be concluded that if the textbook with the curriculum used by student is known, then I can be astounded the competency is difficult achievement. The aim to analyze the teaching material or thematic book focus on social literacy skill in grade 4 elementary school social study material by using the content or content analysis method to find to the extent to which social literacy skill are development in teaching material in the form of thematic books used by grading for elementary school students based on the 2013 curriculum. Method. The method in this study used the content analysis method. The approach is qualitative. Relate to the description about content analysis can be said to be a research tool on a content that is actual. It is used as positioning of words, concept, theme, phrases, and character. The method of content analysis according to Krippendorff in Laplace 2000. Content analysis is a research technique that makes in replicable and valid conclusion from text or the manifold material in the content of its use. Result and discussion. The study analyzes the concept of social literacy in the thematic textbook of class 4 term 8, my area of residence. Step by step has been carried out. The result of the research are expected to be useful for contributing to education in Indonesia. As a form of research, awareness of educational dilemmas in this century, especially in the aspect of social literacy, which is very useful. In additional, it is hoped that the spreads of education can be more concrete about the social skill that be development in every studying learning. Number one, content of social study material in thematic textbook theme 8 area where I live. Number two, the concept of social literacy in thematic textbook theme 8 area, the area where I live. Conclusion. Based on the result of research on the analysis of social literacy skill in the 2013 social study curriculum material, I can be concluded that number one, the content of social study material contained in the thematic textbook of class 4 term 8, the area where I live, in learning in the 2013 curriculum in elementary school. The content of social study material is not presented at all levels of grade 1 to class 6, but in class 1 to class 3, the social study material in integrate into the content of other learning material. The learning content include Indonesia, PPKN, PJOK, and SPDP. Will at the list of class 4 to class 6. The content of social study material stand alone, but the learning process is carried out thematically integrate with content of Indonesia, PPKN, PJOK, and SPDP. Regarding the content of social study material, describe on content social study material about the local environment of an area and mapping an area using map. The appearance of nature, the environment as well as not relationship with social and culture diversity, economic activity in the environment that are influenced by the distribution of natural resources. The diversity of local, ethnic, and culture groups, historical, religious, and figures of heroism and patriotism in the environment. The concept of social literacy content in the class 4 thematic book theme 8, My Area of Residence. They are several concepts that are not directly connected in the material, such as in the aspects of material conversion skill. This material is implied in the activity carried out by students in groups. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.